Hello, today's video, Mazda 5 windshield wiper blades. Yeah, you guessed it. It is the middle of summer. Today's August 18th, Tuesday. And the weather, let me show you the weather. It's supposed to be 106 degrees. And it's raining. But yeah, I gotta change out my windshield wiper blades because they're all jacked, and I guess I need it for the summer. Here's my new wipers, if you're wondering. 16-inch, 16 CA for the Bosch. This is what I'm putting in. And it comes with two sizes. The driver's side is going to use a 26 CA Bosch. The passenger side, a 16 CA. This is what I'm putting in. Okay, again, like I said, I'm gonna be changing out the windshield wipers here. So if you don't know, I'm gonna show you. This is a 2013 Mazda 5, and if you look closely, there's a tab here and a tab here. You squeeze those two together, this cap should come off, and from there, I'm trying to do this with one hand, hold the camera, bend this back a little bit, press forward, and there it is. So put this up and put this down. We'll do the same thing for the other side. Okay, the passenger side is the shorter side, the driver's side is the longer one. We'll do the same thing here. Look at this, all done. So okay, again, tab here. Oh, do you hear that? Thunder. Tab here, one on the other side. Squeeze together. It'll come up. Pull this back a little bit and press down. There it is. Okay, let's get your new one ready and get ready to install that. So hey, position your new one. Okay, that's my new Bosch. This is a brand that I bought on Amazon from Aerospeed. They lasted me for quite a bit, but I went ahead and purchased the Bosch this time. So let's go ahead and look at the other one. There's this one here. Now it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 other adapters. That's because it's made to fit other cars as well. So, but right out of the box for the Bosch, it should fit. Let me see. One hand. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Pull this out. See, there. Pull it out. Okay. More. All right. Here's the other one. Okay. So let's go ahead and position this. Okay. Squeeze the tabs. Lift up. Okay. Get ready to put this in. That's my neighbor right there. So go ahead, slide this in, pull up until you hear it click, fold this back, and that's done. Put this one down, do your other side. Okay. Put it in there till you hear it click. Okay. Close it. That's it. Easy peasy. All done. Let's go in the car, test it out, make sure it works. You hear that? Middle of summer. Crazy. Okay. The car up. Bam. Nice. Easy install. Cool. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and comment, like, and subscribe. I got more videos coming for the Mazda. I got shocks and struts. I'm gonna do the front shocks, also the rear struts. Those are a couple replacements I have to do for the Mazda as well. Also on front outer tie rods, I have to do that, but after you replace those, you're gonna have to do an alignment. So those are future videos for the Mazda. yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that helped you guys. Okay, cool. So hit the like button. Thanks.